What was the secret, your ability to develop the skill of becoming a great line out caller?
Well, I think it started off as just spending more time than anyone else analyzing lineups and looking at lineups and trying to understand lineups. And the more you look at it, the more you start seeing things. And I will always go to guys when I try and help them and said, listen, if you're going to a game, you need to have a plan. You must know exactly on your own ball, you must know exactly how they're going to contest. If you know how they're going to contest, are they in a pot system? Are they doing man one? But then, if you know that, you must know what works against that. If he doesn't know, you know what they're doing, and you don't understand what's the counter for that. So you must understand if they're in pot system, there's always a space open. So you must have a quick calling system. If you're up against this team that's got a pot and they move late in a thing, you must have an option call where you go in, wait for them to move, and you take the other option.